The first three terms of the sequence are 1, 2, 3. From the fourth term onwards, each term is calculated from the previous three terms using the rule add the first two and subtract the third. So the sequence begins 1, 2, 3, 0, 5, minus 2, 7, and then so on. And we have to find what is the 2010th term in this sequence. So I would start with writing out this sequence, continuing it for a bit longer, so and see if there are any patterns. So then if I write it out, you'd have 1 and then 2 and 3 as they have written, and then 0 and then 5 and minus 2 and then 7. And after that, what would happen is 5 minus 2 is 3, and 3 minus 7 is minus 4. And then minus 2 plus 7 is 5, and 5 minus 4 is 9. So it would be 9. And then you would have 7 minus 4 is 3, and then 3 minus 9 is minus 6, so we'd have minus 6, and then I'd have minus 4 plus 9 is 5, and 5 minus 6 is 11, so I'd have 11, and then I'd have 9 minus 6 is 3, and then 3 minus 11 is minus 7. Sorry, minus 8. So we'd have minus 8, and then minus 6 plus 11 is 5, and then 5 minus 8 is 13. So I'd have 13, and so on. So what we see here is there are several sequences within the main sequence of numbers. So what are these sequences? I think it's easy to spot. They are, you can start with 1. The first term is 1. The third term is 3. The fifth term is 5. The seventh term is 7. The ninth term is 9. The 11th term is 11. The 13th term is 13. And the next sequence is the second term is 2. The fourth term is 0. The sixth term is minus 2. The 8th term is minus 4. The 10th term is minus 6. The 12th term is minus 8, and so on. So the second, fourth, sixth, eighth, so terms. So second, fourth, sixth, eighth, 10th, 12th, and so on. They are in a sequence, and the terms, the first, the third, the fifth, the seventh, all these odd numbers is odd term numbers are in sequence, and the even term numbers are in sequence. So if we have to, what we need to find is where does 2010th term lie. So 2010 being an even number, a good guess is it's going to lie in this sequence of even number of terms. So if we write out these the terms in the even sequence number, so 2 is 2, 4 is 0, 6 is minus 2. So you see there is a difference of, if you leave the first term out, from the second term you see there's a difference of 4 between the numbers. If you leave out, the negative sign, if you forget the negative sign, so like 6 minus 2 is 4, 8, and then you get 4 minus 4. Or you can take the sign and do it. But I was thinking like 8 minus 4, the difference of 4, or you can say like, if you did 8 minus 4, you would get 4, 6 minus 2. Even if you had the negative sign, if you were adding them, you would get 4. So the 10th term would be minus 8. So here again it's no, sorry, minus 6. That's what I'm saying. Got it wrong. Minus 6. So again, there's a difference of 4. You see, 10 minus 6 is 4. And then 12th term is minus 8. So if we go on, continue, then we'd have 2010th term. And obviously, if you subtract 4 from that, you'd have 2006 with a minus sign. And that is the answer. The 2010th term of the sequence would be minus 2006.